Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on an Alfa Romeo Giulia. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a 24mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5.8 quarts of the correct synthetic engine oil and a new oil filter. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it on sturdy jack stands. Allow the engine to cool for about 30 minutes before you begin. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 17mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully remove the plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and install a new crush washer. Then, securely tighten the drain plug to 25 Newton meters. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. The filter housing is usually located on the top of the engine, near the front. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter cartridge. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Take your new filter and apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its O-ring. Install the new filter, hand tightening it, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, it's time to add the fresh oil. Carefully pour approximately 5.5 quarts of the recommended synthetic engine oil into the oil fill port. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top up if necessary, ensuring the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Double check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.